Hello, welcome back to SoCal 英会話. My name is Megan, and today we are doing a pronunciation lesson for L and R. I'm going to explain how your lips should be making a shape and where your tongue should be in your mouth when you're pronouncing some common L and R words. For example, right or light. Right. Your lips should make an O a little. Right. And your teeth should come together. Right. Or tongue should touch your teeth at the top. Light. Light. Right or light. Now you try. Right. Light. Fry or fly. Fry, again, lips together. Fry or fly. Tongue touches your teeth. Fly. Fry. Fly. R sounds, your mouth comes together more, and L sounds, your mouth makes a longer shape. Fry. Fly. Rate or late. What is your rate? Why are you late? Rate, late. Rate or late. Correct or collect. I'm going to correct you, or we need to collect the package. Correct, correct, collect, collect. We have long or we have wrong. It's so long. It is wrong. Long, long, wrong, wrong. Liver or river. I want to swim in the river. Drinking is bad for your liver. Lace or race. Lace is a detail on clothing. A race is something you want to win. Lace or race. Lead or red, and lead or read. Lead, red, or lead, read. And we have lock or rock. Do not throw rocks. Make sure you lock the door. Lock, tongue, lock, or rock, rock. If it helps you, you can record yourself on your phone saying these words so you can hear it back, as sometimes it's better to listen to a recording of yourself so that you can hear the mistakes you're making. Remember to make your mouth longer for L sounds and your mouth more closed and O-shaped for R sounds. Thank you so much for watching, and make sure you subscribe and check out our other videos. Thank you. Bye-bye.